A reef knot is a great knot to tie in elasticated cord because it's flat and it's secure. I'm using 0.7 Stretch Magic in this example. I've got my beads threaded on and I've left myself enough thread at each side, elastic at each side, to be able to tie a knot easily without it being too fiddly. Now a reef knot is made up of 2 overhand knots in opposite directions. So first of all you want to take the left side over the right and then under, so that's your first knot, and you can slide that all the way down to your beads so there's no gap in between the beads there. And then the next knot is right over left, so that's the opposite way round. Wrap that round. And then when you slide that second knot down, you don't want to lose any of the tension in the elastic there, and you want to tie that firmly but not tight. And then the best way to tighten a reef knot in elastic like this is to get hold of both the ends of the thread and also the sides of the elastic. So you're tightening the knot without actually over tightening the bracelet. And you should find that creates a really nice secure knot that's nice and tight. Now, for extra security, you can add a tiny little dot of glue or clear nail varnish on that knot there. Hypo cement works really well for this. And then once that's dry, trim off your ends. But you'll find that's a really nice, secure way of creating an elasticated bracelet.